I'm Alia Shawkat. You're watching LifeMinute TV. I was reading it whilst I was doing a Broadway show, and I got it right before I went on stage. And I finished it, and I knew immediately. There was just something about how delicate she was written, delicate she was, and how kind and held a lot of it was. And I knew it would be a new thing for me to do, a new thing for me to approach.
Drift is about a young Liberian refugee who ends up on the shores of a Greek island. She's traumatized by her past. She's struggling to survive because she has no money. As she's building her strength together, she meets, a friend, a stranger who becomes a friend. That comes in form of Alia Shawkat. She's an American tour guide, and together, they build a relationship.
Cynthia had a much more grueling schedule than I did, so she was working every day, and I'd kind of pop in and out. But we had to hold space for each other a lot. There was a lot of heavy moments in this story, and we were able to talk about them, I think, in very poetic and grounded terms. And then sometimes just sit there and take in the view, and I think it's interesting when you can hold silence with somebody. Sometimes you have good friends that you feel like you got to fill the air, and with her we could hold silence really well.
And there's plenty of us around who want to know that we're okay. Honestly, I think sometimes we're afraid to reach out to the people around us and to say that's how we're feeling. Find the people around you who you might not even realize care and want to be there for you. Reach out and keep reaching out until you find a person who's willing to hear you and listen. And that will help to ease the burden, ease the pain.